Action! Okay, what we're going to do is a plunge cut video today. I found this saw. This is not how you do it. This is what happens when you do it wrong. So we're going to start with safety first. I got safety glasses, which is unofficial, but I need them, and I got gloves. First thing I'm going to do with the saw blade, I got to unplug it when I change the saw blade, because I'm being safe for once in my life. We have two different saw blades, both of them really fine tooth blades. It shows 24 teeth per inch, and this one shows 18 tooth per inches. I'm using the 18 because I like the size of that blade. It's stiffer. I'm going to stick the blade in upside down because it allows me to get the saw flatter when I start the hole. So I have a line there in the corner. We're going to drill a hole, which I'm not going to, but you should. And then we're laying our square on and mark where we want to cut. So I clamped the piece of plywood down. So the idea will be going on, cutting on the line, and this is how we do a plunge cut. The saw goes back and forth probably an inch. So you got to anticipate where the point of the saw is going to go before you pull the trigger. And I'm holding it upside down like this, that my left hand is my pivot hand and my right hand's where the trigger, and I lift this up as I'm plunging the saw in. You got to hold it steady because the blade will move back and forth. Got to plug it in. And I'd lift up on my right hand and lower the blade into the cut. My table's moving, so it's nice to have something solid. But I'm going to try to keep the saw itself from moving, and just let the blade work itself through the hole. I'm staying inside the line because this, presumably inside the hole, is going to be with the dog door. I can make a couple stabs and get messy and not the door up. Blade, if it's going straight down, it's going to hit the back side of the door. So I'm going to drag it along. The idea is that the back side inside the door doesn't hit the other side of the door. So I'm going to lay the saw pretty flat and drag it along the line. I can see I'm inside the line, so I can adjust my line a little bit.